This is the UR Business Network.
The healthcare sector has seen tremendous growth in the past few years, particularly in the United States and the Middle East. This year's C3 U.S. Arab Healthcare Summit brought together business leaders, policymakers, educators, and medical professionals to promote both U.S. and Arab world initiatives focused on healthcare improvements.
Infectious diseases are so rampant and growing and coming out of areas like the Gulf.
U.S. Ambassador Leslie Rowe was one of the keynote speakers.
There aren't enough resources in the world to combat all of them, so really partnership with private sector, public sector, and also the governments and private sector in the Middle East to develop the kinds of infrastructure and technology that is needed there so that they can prevent, detect, and respond to those kinds of global health issues.
People came from all over the world.
I'm Rana Haji. I'm a physician and I'm with the CDC, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention in Atlanta, Georgia.
My name is Nasser Shaheen. I'm an introductory agent. I travel to the whole Middle East and I went to Saudi Arabia, Jordan.
I lead market development for GE Healthcare in Eastern and Africa growth markets.
We work globally, but we have many initiatives already ongoing in the Middle East.
With the common goal of building, fostering, and strengthening relationships between the U.S. and Arab healthcare providers and suppliers. Everyone could agree that collaboration is of the utmost importance.
Well, collaboration is key. You know, we're all in the same boat. Healthcare is a big issue across the globe. How are we going to care for all of these growing populations, aging populations together? So taking the best of both worlds and collaborating on these things is a win-win for both countries.
So it's not about the pharmaceutical industry, all about the healthcare professionals. It's about collaboration across the board. And I believe this was an excellent opportunity to try to facilitate that discussion.
The summit's creator and founder, Mr. Ransel Potter, developed the summit to do just that. Bring people together from the U.S. and the truly emerging Arab world to better solve the problems that plague us all.
Well, I'm seeing people really coming together. I'm seeing people really exchanging interest, exchanging business ideas, cards, and I'm seeing what this is all about, collaboration, community, and commerce at the end of the day.
Among the topics discussed, the importance of advancing technology to improve healthcare.
We're seeing technologies that enable blended learning. So you combine online learning with different distance learning with some in-person. These things can make a big difference. I think technologies like ubiquity of telephony and software, very scalable technologies, they're going to be big game changers in the Middle East and Africa in particular.
Furthering education was also considered a top priority.
We also think that just good processes and, simply put, good education can do a lot to help as well.
The event surely seemed to be a success.
The interaction and discussions that were held and followed by the person-to-person introductions were very critical and essential to kind of enhance our abilities. Already, just for the record, I met so many people that kind of had some good thoughts for us to add on to what we're doing, and without such an event, probably this would be impossible.
Lindsay Poole, URBN.
This is the UR Business Network.